Have you seen the buzz on X about Enugu State looking all ready for Christmas? Like, wow. If you haven't, you're seriously missing out. Let's talk about the viral video that's everyone talking. Is this really Nigeria? Take a good look at this road. Spoiler alert, it absolutely is. Welcome to Enugu State, the southeast glowing pride where transformation is happening right before our eyes. This is the Bisala Road. Oh my goodness, if you're not familiar with this route that connects to the famous New Haven Road in Enugu, you can testify to the massive glow up it has had. It's like night and day, literally. Remember the potholes, the bumpy rides, the units, the unlit corners, all of that is now history. Bisala Road that connects to the New Haven Road is now so sleek, smooth, and absolutely stunning. Perfect for a joyride or an evening stroll. Are you looking at this road? Are you seeing what I'm seeing on this road? And can we talk about the Christmas vibe this road is already giving? Those festive lights, the atmosphere, it's like something straight out of a movie. If I didn't know better, I think we're watching a scene, a beautiful drive, just like in Dubai. But no, this is our very own Nigeria, our very own Southeast Nigeria, Enugu precisely. This transformation isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a city that feels alive, warm, and welcoming, especially during the most wonderful time of the year. This road is giving Christmas vibes already. Enugu is redefining what it means to be a Nigerian city and doing so in style. We have to give massive credit to Governor Peter Amba, or what do you think? His vision for Enugu is very, very clear. Modern, world-class infrastructure that works for everyone. This isn't just an upgrade, it's something massive, beautiful. Enugu is open for business as always, for tourism and for good vibes only. Governor Peter Amba, we see you. We definitely see you. Whether you're a resident, a visitor, or even just a passerby or a viewer just like you can't help but feel the energy right now. Enugu is showing off in the best way possible and we are totally here for it. So, what are your thoughts? Have you seen the video yet? Drop your comments below, like and share this video with everyone you know. Let's put Enugu State on the map this Christmas season, and if you're planning to visit, let this be your reminder that Enugu is waiting for you with open arms. This is Ebo People TV, bringing you the highlights you don't want to miss. See you in our next video.